In this video, I want to show you a demonstration on how you can override a grade for a student in PowerSchool. Once you open your gradebook in PowerSchool, you will see a screen very similar to this. Obviously, you are seeing my assignments that are listed for this course here, but notice at the very top you will see the course that you have opened your gradebook for listed right here, so make sure that is correct. Now you just need to know where to go to override your student's grade for a quarter or for a semester. Now you need to go to grading, and once you click on grading, choose all reporting terms. Once you click on grading and all reporting terms, you will then need to choose which student you want to override a grade for. Let's just assume for a moment we're going to change this 81 right here. So you can click on either one of these numbers that you see on your screen, this 81 or this one. Yours obviously will be different, but you will choose whatever grade that you want to work with to override the grade. Once you click on that grade or one of those numbers, you will see that this gray panel box will appear, and it allows you to change these two numbers. We're going to start with the 81 that's in the percentage box, and I would click in that box and replace it with a number. For this demonstration, I'm going to assume that this student's grade is going to be marked as incomplete. It's going to be given a 1 so that it is shown incomplete, but let's just say you needed to change this from an 81 to an 85 because you gave the student extra points. You would need to click in this box next to this 81 and change it from an 81 to an 85. Again, for the purpose of this video, I've changed this 81 to a 1. So next I need to click in the box above and change that 81 to match what I put down here. Again, for this example, I'm going to change this 81 to a 1, but if you were changing it from an 81 to an 85, you would need to make sure these two match each other. Now that both of these numbers have been changed, notice that below this area you'll see the calculated grade shown below. That's always nice to be able to see. But let's just say this student turned in work late, and now this grade needs to go from incomplete, or you decided not to give them those extra points and you wanted it to go back to the 81. You would simply come right here to this refresh button, and you would click that button and it would refresh the grade and it would go back to an 81. So as you see in this example, after I hit the refresh button, the 81 reappeared and everything is good to go. So hopefully that will help you in trying to override a grade for a student. Again, you can do this for a quarter 2, or you could do it for semester 1. Wherever you need to override the grade, you can do that using the same steps.